it comes to making decisions as life and death important as to what to feed ourselves and our family, there's really only one question. Now, what is the best available balance of evidence right now? And indeed, we uncovered a treasure trove of buried data. Like today, I'll cover simple spices proven in randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled trials to accelerate weight loss for just pennies a day. But with so little profit potential, no wonder these studies never saw the light of day. But the only profiting I care about, though, is your health. Ginger powder, over a dozen randomized controlled trials starting with just a quarter teaspoon of ground ginger a day, showing significantly decreased weight loss for just pennies a day, proven in placebo-controlled trials to work, but no one's ever heard about this because they just can't make enough profit.